Hello, friends. Let's learn the alphabet. A, B, good. Great job, everyone.
Speak with me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat.
Hello everyone, welcome to the fruit garden. Look at this magical red apple. It's full of sparkling wonder.
Apricot. Yummy! Banana. This fruit looks very juicy. Custard apple.
We are going to learn numbers. One thing, let's count together.
Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3.
Teacher Monkey is going to show you some yummy vegetables.
Garlic. Yummy. Onion. Bottle gourd. The vegetable looks very delicious.
Now time is writing. T-I-M-E spells time.
C.
0. 1. 2.
Circle. Have fun with colors. Yellow, purple, red. Match the color and have fun. Yellow, purple, red. Yellow, purple, red. Object finding game. Find the object.
Great job. Nice. Good job. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Have fun with shapes. Trapezium. Oval. Heart. Star. Circle. Square. Match the shapes.
Great job. Excellent. Fantastic. Fantastic. job! Excellent!
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Camel. Cat. Chameleon. Cow. Crocodiles.